Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: domain, billing method, and admin contact. Once ready, open the Google Workspace sign-up and enter your business name and region. Make sure to choose whether you'll use an existing domain or buy one through Google. This choice affects DNS steps later. Next, set your primary admin username and password. Pick something secure yet memorable. After this first setup, you're ready to create user accounts or proceed to domain verification. Don't skip verification. Once done with account basics, verify your domain so email and services activate. You'll add a TXT or CNAME record at your domain host. TXT is fastest for most providers. After verification, update DNS with MX records to route mail to Google, then add SBF and enable DKIM to prevent spoofing and improve deliverability. Next, create user accounts and functional groups and assign admin roles. Make sure to configure password rules and two-step verification to reduce risk. To finish, test logins and mail delivery for a handful of pilot users. Confirm sent and received messages, calendar sharing, and drive access. Then enable two-step verification for admins and set up a backup admin account so you're not locked out. If something fails, first check DNS TTL and MX priority. Propagation can take hours. Also confirm SBF/DKIM values and that no legacy MX records remain. If problems persist, use Google Admin Console diagnostic tools and recheck the exact DNS entries you added.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.